So guys, what is going on today? So I've bought myself a catback exhaust system. It has it's a stainless system, well most of it's stainless, not all of it because some of it is painted because the stainless ones were a lot more expensive for the ones I was looking at. I did opt for one with a 3-inch tip. I was so tempted to go for that one with a 4-inch tip, the Manzo exhaust I think it was called, but reviews said it didn't fit without removing parts and stuff, and I just didn't really like the look of it in the end. So I went for this one off MX5 parts. It's the BBK catback exhaust with a 3-inch tip. And we're going to go ahead and try and put that on the car. So guys, and what it looks like there's a couple of bolts here for this little shield, and then there's just 2 bolts at the end of the cat over here and here, and then the whole catback section of the factory exhaust should come out, and then we've got an aftermarket pipe to go between the cat and the diff, and then there should be another pipe for the exit tip. I think I'm being a bit dumb here guys. I think this actually just comes off with the original exhaust. I'm being thick, aren't I? I'm just going to undo them 2 bottom bolts and then hopefully this will just come off with it. I'm really not enjoying this guys. It's fucking, all the bolts are so seized. It took me about half an hour, or it could have been more than half an hour. I've just got the first bolt undone. It's taken so long. But I've noticed something on my car that's a bit strange. One of the wires going to the exhaust, the sensor I believe it is, it's not actually connected. Someone's cut it and put some tape around it. I just want to know, is that actually important? Does this car need it to run? Because I didn't do it. It's been like that since I bought it, but it keeps running fine and there's nothing wrong with it. So I might have to do some research into that to see if I need to plug that in or not. But if you know if that's important, if I need that, could you leave it in the comments and just tell me what it is and what it does. So guys, as you just saw there, I managed to get the old exhaust off. It's just sitting over there. That was such a pain. All the bolts were stiff. I had to undo this little bar at the back here. As you can see, just there, that bar I had to undo so I could fit it down there. That bolt was even more seized. I couldn't even get that one over there undone, so I just had to just yank it round. So it took us like an hour or more just to undo them little 3 bolts. It was such a pain. But now at least it's going to be easy. I can just chuck the stainless ones in and then it'll be done. So let's get to it. We're ready for it. We're ready for it.
Just gotta stick that bit on now.
Yep. Do you want to come hold this up for me?
Thirsty.
Oh, cheers Milosh for the nice coffee. We just got the exhaust on. All the bolts were so stiff, that was such a bitch to do. But that tip, 3 inches looks quite nice. I think 4 could have been over the top, but that still would have been nice. So now we're just gonna I'm gonna let Milosh start it up.
Yes.
Which I'm kind of regretting, but
Show us your keys.
we'll let him start it up and then I'll show you guys the before and after of how it sounds before and now. Where are my keys?
I know, you took them out. You didn't want me fucking them.
I've lost my keys. I've got them. Here you go.
Yes. In a bit, bitches.
So there we go, the exhaust is on. You've heard what it sounds like. I absolutely love it. I'm so excited to like start driving it again. It's just, I don't know, I've kind of like fallen in love with the car again a little bit. I'm sorry if this video wasn't quite so long. There was a lot of struggling because it was just like 3 bolts and they were all seized completely, and you guys don't want to see me just struggling to undo seized bolts. But yeah, I think it needs to be louder, so I'm going to get a decat and we're going to decat as well. It's going to be completely straight pipe from the headers. I hope you like this video guys, and I'll see you next time.